Storm Team.
Still going to be weather aware for our Thursday as rain chances will go up late tonight through tomorrow morning and then kind of be on and off waves of rain through at least the way it's looking early afternoon tomorrow. Some of that rainfall could be heavy. Good news is if we can get through this unscathed, the weekend's looking much quieter. Now, it's quiet right now. Live look from Embassy Suites Hotel back south towards the Tennessee River. Henley Bridge here over to the right. Good visibility, which means we're not dealing with fog or smog or any rain at this point, but it's mild. 74 Knoxville and Maryville, 73 in Gatlinburg, 71 in Middlesboro, and 72 in Wartburg. But it's starting to get a little more humid out there, and we're seeing that now in the sweatcast. A lot of orange and pink starting to make a comeback as more moisture is kind of pooling back into the area ahead of a front that will slowly push into the region tomorrow and eventually clear the region by the time we get to late Friday. So about a 48-hour time frame here. We're going to be watching for the potential of kind of waves of rain that will come through. As of right now, the front is kind of stalled to our north. We've not seen much rain develop yet, but I'm just starting to see it pop up here south of Cape Girardeau. Right there in Missouri on the Kentucky border, and that's what's kind of sliding in our direction, and that'll be our weather maker late tonight into tomorrow morning. It's kind of lighting a fuse that will just blossom rainfall late tonight into tomorrow. So rain coverage will go up late tonight and become likely as we go through at least the first half, if not 2/3 of the day for tomorrow. So let's kind of talk about that. There is a flood watch that's in effect for our plateau counties, Fentress, Cumberland, back through Middle Tennessee, and of course Western Kentucky, where they've had that heavy rainfall last night into early this morning. That'll go till noon Central Time or 1 Eastern. At this time, nothing for East Tennessee. They're kind of waiting to see where exactly this heaviest rain will develop, the one that's coming out of Kentucky, if it slides in our direction. Still looks like it will. Not everybody will see flooding, but everybody has that potential that we could see flooding. The key here is going to be when this rain develops, where it moves over some of the same areas. That's where it's going to be problematic because there's just so much moisture in the atmosphere. So let's kind of get a perspective here. Quiet across the area now at 11 o'clock, but notice the showers will start to blossom late. This is showing by 3 a.m. we're already having some showers and maybe a few rumbles across the area. Not expected to be severe. There may be some lightning with it, but heavy rainfall is going to be the concern. And see how it's moving from northwest to southeast across the area? That's going to be pretty persistent the way it's looking. So whatever area sees that heavy rain moving in the same spots, that's where we could see the potential for flooding. Thankfully, it's a little quieter through the evening hours. This is Thursday at 6 through this time tomorrow night. So again, the bulk of this would be late tonight through about mid-afternoon on Thursday. Now, this is just an estimate, but this is showing rainfalls between 1 and maybe 3 inches in some spots. So don't focus exactly where it is, but this is what I'm talking about. There could be a few stripes of some very heavy rainfall in areas. And then we got to deal with our Friday as well. So heavy rain, we've got it in the medium to high threat. Where that develops, yes, there could be some flooding, and sure, there could be some travel issues, especially low-lying areas. Just remember, don't drive through any flooded roadways. By the time we get to Friday, the flooding risk is going down just a little bit because that cold front I mentioned, it's going to be pushing through, and the rain's not going to develop till later in the day. That's midday Friday through the afternoon, and then the front moves through. The better chance of rainfall Friday is going to be along and south of the I-40 corridor, the way it's looking. All right, here's your 7-day forecast. Again, weather aware for Thursday. Rain chances going up tonight through the day tomorrow. Some lingering showers and storms on Friday, but the weekend really looks nice. Low 60s in the morning for late July. That is nice. Yeah. That means low humidity as well, and I think we'll deserve it after the next 2 days, Don.
Yeah, I like it.